Do you know you can make your own chicken spam? You don't need to rely on store-bought. At least one thing is healthy and you are sure of what is inside. So if you want to know how you can make your own, just watch this video to the end and you will learn a lot. You can see how it came out. So here I already diced my chicken breast. So I'm using 1 kg of chicken breast. I already sliced it the way my blender can blend it. So I have to blend it into paste. Make sure you use a good blender for this recipe. So you can see it's already formed paste. So now this is my mixed spices. So these spices, I'll be listing out the ingredients it contains. It contains cornstarch and beetroot powder and my spices. Just add any spice you like. All my dry spices. Anyone that knows me know that I know how to do my combination. So make your own spice and add it the way you want it. So I'll mix everything to well combine and I'll pour it inside the blender and let everything combine. So just as I always tell you, if you can make it, why do you need to buy? You know, these days you have to be careful what you put inside your body. Why don't you give it a try? It will not harm you. Actually, you'll be sure of what is going inside your body. You can see it came out so well, the paste, everything well combined. Now I have to scoop out the whole paste. So for some of you see my video for the first time, this is Glatory. So if today is your first time seeing my video, you are highly welcome. Thank you for coming by. Thank you for watching my video. And remember to subscribe, like my video, love it, comment, please share. So you can see the paste came out so well. If you can do it, why do you need to buy? Okay, remember this is chicken spam. So good. Make your own and your body will thank you later. Learn to do all these things by yourself. At least you can control what goes inside your body. So here I'm using this stainless mold or pan for this recipe. So I added a little oil to brush it through. So I'll be adding my meat paste inside. As you are putting it, make sure you press it down so that there will be not much hole inside. You can see this is very easy. If you can do it, why do you need to buy? This is very easy. You can make it on your own. And it tastes better than the store-bought because you can control the ingredients inside and add the spice that you wanted to be inside it. So they are all ready. You can see, ready to be steamed. At this time, I'll be steaming them for 30 minutes. So I'll cover with a tin foil. So remember, if you have not subscribed to my channel or follow my page at Glatory, I wonder what you're waiting for. Please subscribe, follow my page, like my video, love it, comment, and please share so that others will get to see. So this is after 30 minutes. You can see it's ready. Remember to use steam method, okay? So you can see it looks like a loaf of bread. Came out so well. You can see? Whoa. Looks good. Will you be trying this out? It's very good. The aroma is something else. It smells so good and it looks so good. Better than what you buy in the store. It tastes way much better. So let me slice it so that you can see what I'm talking about. You can see. Wow. That's wow, it tastes so yummy. You can use this for your sandwich. You can use it for so many things. So why don't you give it a try? Give it a try and you will not try going back again to buy from the store. This is good. So you can see how it came out so well. Will you be trying this out? Let me know at the comment section. If you can do it, why do you need to buy? Make your own and your body will thank you later. Thank you for watching. Bye.